Welcome to VirtualBox tutorial. Today we are looking at how we can be able to create a new machine in VirtualBox with an existing virtual hard drive. So that is what we are doing today. So let's start. So first of all, we go to New, then we give our machine a name. So the machine I'm creating is Windows Server 2012 R2. So I just give it a name, Win Server 2012. So 2012 R2. Let me add that. Then I don't want to save it on my. I just want to save it on the external drive, not in my local drive C. So I'm just directing it somewhere else. So I'm saving it here, and I have virtual machines in here. So I directed this over there. Now from here, we will not pick any OS because already we have an existing hard drive. So we will not pick any OS from here. So what we'll do is from here, we'll just move. We go to next. Then the amount of RAM size will maintain 2 gig. Processor, store 1. Then we move next. Now, at this point, if we were to install a new one using the ISO file, we'll have gone through with this. But because we are not doing that, I have the operating system already on a drive, a virtual drive. So that is why I will not go through this point. So I will use an existing virtual hard disk. Then I'll go through this. So I'll browse through to find my existing hard disk file. And my existing hard disk file is not here. So what I'll do is I need to add it up here. So I'll go to add and I'll go and look for it. So I have it somewhere in my virtual machine folder. So that's where I'm going to look for it. So I have my virtual machines here. So this is what I'm looking for. So I'll open this and this is my virtual hard drive. So I'll take this and you see it's showing now. Now you select this and you choose and you see your drive in here. So whatever size that drive was is what is going to show here. There's no need giving it a different hard drive size again because you already have an existing hard drive. It's just like you having a laptop and you have an old hard drive, maybe 500 GB, that is HDD drive, and you had an issue with your existing drive, so you just took the old hard drive and you just slot it inside the laptop, boot it, and it started working. So that is what we are doing here. We have our old uh, drive that is having the old operating system on it. We just put it in there, then we go next and finish. So now we have our drive in here. The next thing is for us to start the machine. So let's wait for it for some seconds for it to start. Okay, so our Windows is starting now. So basically, we are not doing anything. We are just putting in the drive for the virtual machine to start because already the operating system has already been installed. So we don't need to go through a lot of process. What we need is to be able to fix the hard drive in the virtual machine, and that is what we have done. Virtually, we have been able to fix the hard drive in the virtual machine, and that is what is happening now. So that is my uh, Windows Server 2012. I hope you have enjoyed it. Thank you for watching.